What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy, Ron, man. Today we back in again with another banging video. All right, so listen, y'all. So I went to sleep at like 11, right? 11 p.m., probably like 11:30, close to 12, right? And I woke up at like 3, y'all, in the morning. Bro, I could not sleep. I couldn't sleep. I'm going to tell y'all what, though. It's a good thing that I couldn't sleep. You know, a lot of time when you can't sleep, you know, people be like, well, I can't sleep because, you know, I'm having nightmares, or like God is talking to me. He trying to communicate to me, bro. I couldn't sleep at all. Like I'm sleeping, I'm waking up like every hour, bro. So when 3 o'clock hit, I just knew it was time for me to get up. But the whole time when I was sleeping, bro, I had a crazy idea. Like I wanted to turn $300 to $100,000. Like I had this idea, like this idea just kept popping up in my head. Like, yo, bro, Ron, you got to turn $300 to $100,000 in 5 months. So I wanted to do this challenge with you guys, right? I wanted to document my journey with you guys. So if you're watching this video right now, all right, I want to document this journey with you. So I want you guys to see how I'm going to start a business, right? With only $300. And then we're going to scale it together to $100,000 in 5 months. Now, I've never done anything like that in my entire life. I've never made $100,000 in 5 months. But you know, when you sleeping and you having all these ideas, when you're having all these thoughts, man, sometimes that could be God talking to you, man, to let you know that there's bigger things coming, but you gotta take action. So instead of me just like thinking that those ideas are just ideas, I'm gonna turn that idea into a challenge to really see if that idea was actually a revelation for me, that I'm gonna be able to make $100,000 in 5 months. If only I can start this business. Because if I don't start a business, you know, like Michael Jordan said, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. But I'm gonna take this shot, y'all. So we gonna start. Like today is not gonna be day one. Tomorrow I'm gonna drop a video. It's gonna be day one, and there's gonna be short clips every day. I'm just gonna be tracking the progress, and I'm gonna be doing like the business slowly, so that if you guys want to start a business too with me, y'all can, you know, every day it's gonna be a small step that you guys take until we finally launch the whole website, and then we start promoting and advertising, you know, our product or whatever you're gonna sell. But yeah, y'all, I made this video just to keep you guys updated that I couldn't sleep, y'all. I was having a crazy idea that I'm gonna start $100,000 challenge in 5 months with only spending $300 on the business. 300. If you want to spend more, you can. If you want to spend less, you can. But 300, that number 3 was just a perfect number for me to start this business with. 300. And then in 5 months, that 300 is going to make me $100,000. I mean, it might sound like it's too good to be true, but we're going to see, man. We're going to really document this thing. All right. So starting tomorrow, we're going to try to work on some things, you know, maybe the business name or whatever. We're just going to be sourcing some things out tomorrow. But we're going to take this one step at a time. So y'all really stay tuned, y'all, because I'm excited for this journey. I'm excited for this $100,000 journey, y'all. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to start, but I know by tomorrow, if you guys can just subscribe to this channel and make sure that y'all turn your notification bell on. So that way you guys can just keep, like, y'all can really keep track of what I'm doing, whatever I'm documenting, so you guys can duplicate, especially if this works, y'all can duplicate the same thing, y'all. And y'all can also go ahead and make this cash with me. All right, y'all. So look, right now it's 6. I'm about to go work out. You know, I've been up since 5 o'clock, man. I really couldn't do anything other than praying. You know, that's about it. But right now I'm about to go work out. The gym is finally open, so I'm gonna get this workout going till 8. And then after 8, I'm probably gonna do like some side hustles. Side hustles after 8. And from there, I'll be working on that business name, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all love y'all. I hope to see y'all. I hope y'all really stay tuned and turn y'all notifications on, bro. I'm telling y'all, man, this about to be fire. So if y'all are really trying to get to the top this year, this is the perfect time. This is the perfect opportunity, y'all. We're going to turn $300 into $100,000 in 5 months. In a whole year, that's going to be $200,000. All right. But if God blesses, listen, man, if God blesses and we make $1 million, we'll take all blessings, man. You never say no to a blessing from God, y'all. All right. So I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. I'm out.